how to add your name in the system tray and personalize your PC easily. Go to the system tray, bottom right corner where the time is shown. Now right click on the time and click on adjust date and time and click on change date and time format. Then look for the AM PM symbol setting. Click on change. Simply type your name next to AM and PM. Click OK. And instantly you will see your name showing in the system tray. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome Windows tricks.